Cherry, Charlene, maraming salamat at nakarating kayo. We are so happy and excited to have you both. Niluto ko ang favorite mo, Charlene. Your mom told me you love lechon paksiw, kaya nagluto ko ng 2 kaldero.
Thank you po, Sister Cruz. I really appreciate it.
Hi, Charlene. Hi, Cherry. Mabuti naman at dumating na kayo. Ayaw namin mag-umpisa na wala kayo. Now that you're here, kakain na tayo.
Nawala kasi kami, hindi maasa na GPS ko. Dapat magpalitan.
Charlene, it is wonderful to see you. Kate will be happy to see you too.
Hali kayo, doon tayo sa dining area. Nandun pa ang mga kapatid na naghihintay sa inyo. Tiyak, matutuwa silang makasama kayo.
Hi, Charlene. Ako si Ralph. I've heard a lot of things about you.
Oh, really? Like what?
I heard na kalilipat mo lang dito kasama ang mami mo. Pareho tayo. We just moved here too, but we attend the English. But my mom is friends with Auntie Irene. So, I think they waited for us to come here so they can just have one welcome party for your family and mine.
Ganun ba? I didn't know that was the reason. Akala ko... Oh, never mind. I'm just glad to meet you, Ralph.
It's nice to meet you too.
Thank you, Mom, for bringing me here tonight. I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you for being here. At higit sa lahat, anak, pinasaya mo ang puso ni Jehovah.